Thank you to everyone who participated in our May and June builds. You continue to amaze and inspire us with your talent. It's great to see you celebrating those who, along with their families, make incredible sacrifices for their countries and fellow citizens with your military builds. And for creating something beautiful to discover with your barn finds. Thanks again to our talented guest horsemen, Joel from Radio Flyer for the June military build, and Steve from Miniature Mustangs for the barn find build. Next month, our theme is Gaslands, a vehicle built to survive the wastelands, combining horsepower, firepower, durability, and functionality. We welcome Jody Sims, the host of the annual Death Race, as our guest horseman. 4 Horsemen builds are open to all. You don't have to have a social media presence or a YouTube channel to join in on the fun. Just send a nice, in-focus, glamour shot of your build, 16:9 or widescreen, preferably on a white background, to 4horsemendiecast@gmail.com on the due date to be sure we include it in our recap video. And if you do have social media, use the hashtag 4horsemendiecast so people can find your work. To recognize those talented builders who participate in 4 Horsemen builds regularly, we developed the Horseshoe Awards. A horseshoe is earned based on the number of builds someone participates in dating back to January 2023. You get a bronze horseshoe after participating in 6 builds. Silva horseshoes go to those who have completed 12 builds. Gold horseshoes are earned after participating in 24 builds. Platinum horseshoes go to those who have completed 36 builds. And diamond horseshoes are awarded to builders who have participated in 48 4 Horsemen Diecast community builds. Thanks to all of you for participating and supporting the 4 Horsemen. We look forward to seeing what you conjure up. For Paul at Diecast Graveyard, Andrew at Maple Leaf Customs, and Skip at Crossroad Diecast Speed Shop. This is Tom from Spork Syndicate. See you next month.